Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download BitDefender on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download BitDefender on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of BitDefender, since that's where we will download their antivirus app. So just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download their BitDefender Antivirus app on this website, first, I want you to click this Consumer tab. And then go to Trials and Free Tools. And then select the Antivirus Free option right here. And then after that, you will now see the download button right here. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, the app installer will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to check the agreement box, and then you can now click the install button. And then the app will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your BitDefender installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now use the app to protect your device from harmful viruses. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.